follow along. You ready? Hey guys, Wall's here, and I am live with Fourth Block. Say hello, Fourth Block.
Hello. Hi.
And we're doing Wednesday's DGP. We did Mondays and Tuesdays yesterday, so you should have Mondays and Tuesdays in front of you. And today is all about identifying clauses, clause type, sentence type, and the purpose of the sentence. So let's go. Now, the first thing we need to do when we talk about clauses is identify the number of subjects and verbs. If you look at your Tuesday's DGP, you should see that we have an understood you as a subject and weeds was my subject. So I have two subjects, but that doesn't always mean I have two clauses. I would also need two verbs. So you go is one subject-verb combination, and then weeds choke is the other. So I do have two subjects and two verbs, so I do have two clauses. Now, as far as identifying where they begin and end, we want to put our bracket in front of, well, you should have you in parentheses. Put your bracket in front of that. So go often to the house of thy friend. What part of speech do we identify for as? Coordinating conjunction. What's the job of a coordinating conjunction? Split up two sentences, to split up two independent clauses. So I know that friend is going to end the clause because the coordinating conjunction is never in the clause. Okay? Coordinating conjunctions are not part of the clause. So that means that my second clause starts after the coordinating conjunction with weeds. And then obviously it ends at the end here. So my two clauses are you go off into the house of thy friend and weeds choke the unused path. Now, by definition, a coordinated conjunction separates two independent clauses. So there's my answer right there. These are both IND clauses. I call these Beyonce clauses because they don't actually need Jay-Z. They don't need anyone. They're fine on their own. All right, independent clauses. Who else was the independent? Was it Kelly Clarkson that sang Miss Independent?
Yes.
There you go. Independent clause. There we go. So we don't need the S there. Okay, cool. Now, because they're independent, we don't have to determine whether they're nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. They're just independent clauses. But we do need to talk about what kind of sentence this is. There are three types: declarative, imperative, and interrogative. Declarative just tells you stuff. Tyler is filming. Imperative tells you to do stuff. Tyler, keep filming. Interrogative asks a question. Tyler, are you still filming? That's how that works. So which one is this?
Declarative.
There we go. It's like I kind of want to answer, but I'm not. All right, it is an imperative because it says you go. Anytime you have the you in parentheses where it's like, close the door, you close the door, it's probably imperative. So this is a compound, I can just spell, imperative sentence. And I'm just going to write IMP. So we have two independent clauses. It's a compound sentence and it's imperative. That's Wednesday's DGP. Tomorrow, fifth block, you guys are up for filming Thursday's DGP, which is arguably the easiest. And that's it. So thank you, and I hope you guys have a good night.